everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So finally winter season is here and I love winter. Let me know about you guys. क्या आपको भी winter season उतना ही पसंद है जितना मुझे पसंद है? And in today's video, I will be sharing with you this winter makeup look and इसके साथ में मैं आप लोगों को tips and tricks भी साथ में बताते जाऊंगी जो बहुत ज़रूरी होता है while doing a makeup in winter especially. I'm sure आपको ये सारी tips and tricks बहुत ही useful रहेंगी और बहुत ही helpful रहेंगी. So ये वीडियो को end तक देखना and keep on watching this video till end to know all the tips and tricks in this video I've mentioned. So without any further delay, let's dive into video. So starting with the tip number 1 is do not skip or do not forget your nighttime skincare routine. It's very important to hydrate your skin even at night. During winters, it's very important to hydrate your skin. With respect to any skin type, you need to moisturize your face, and let's begin with the step number 1 is the moisturize for the makeup, and for that I am using Pond's Super Light Gel. It's oil-free moisturizer for non-sticky glowing skin, and it also have a vitamin E. Can you see how much my face is hydrated right now? I really like this Pond's Gel moisturizer. So now coming to the step number 2, but before that, tip number 2 is when you do your skincare, I just applied the moisturizer. उसके बाद just wait for 2 to 3 minutes and let your face absorb all your moisturizer and then move towards the makeup. Now I'm going to apply the lip balm, and I'm using the Chumbak lip balm in strawberry flavor. Not only you have to hydrate your face or body but lips, it's also important to hydrate your lips also. And if you have very dry face, then you can first apply the serum and then you can apply the moisturizer. And for the serum, I'm going to give you the recommendation in the description box, so you can totally check that out. And moving towards the second step is the concealer. I'm applying Maybelline New York concealer, and I'm in a shade 10 light, and I'm going to apply this. I'm also going to cover my redness with this. Now I'm going to blend it out, and I'm going to blend with the sponge. If you want a very flawless base, dabbing is only the key you can achieve with that. During winters, you can do no makeup look, and for that I've already made a video for you guys. So I have already added a link in the description box, and also I've added the link in the about screen so you guys can check it out after watching this video. Now coming to the next step is the foundation, and for that I'm using Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation, and I'm in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. And for this I'm going to give you the next tip is that always whenever you are using the foundation, add some moisturizer or facial oil if you want. It will give you a very glowy touch and also give your face moisturized all day long. So I'm going to use this and going to add some moisturizer in it. You really need just one pump of it, and when you apply it, and if you really feel कि इसके बाद भी you want some more coverage, then you can apply another pump according to your need as such, and going to mix it well. During winters we don't want कि हमारा face बहुत केकी लगे, तो उसके लिए हम moisturizer add करते हैं हमारे foundation के अंदर. Now I'm going to blend my foundation, and for that I'm going to use the brush, rather than I'm using the sponge. And this is the next tip, that always use the brush in winters to blend your makeup rather than blending with the sponge. And I'm also going to upload more winter related videos, so do not forget to subscribe to my channel right now, because I don't want you to miss any of the winter edition videos which are really going to come up soon, from this month. And just like me, if you just got finished with your setting powder, or if you don't have a setting powder, that's okay. We are going to apply the Pond's powder as a setting powder, and for that what you have to do is take some powder on your hand. So this will be the tip number, I don't know, I didn't even count how many tips I'm going to give you in this video, oh my god. So I will write down the tips number in the screen so you can guys see it. And so now I'm going to bake my under eyes just like this. So moving towards the next step, and that is to apply the blush. And here comes the next step. Avoid using powder based blush and switch to cream based blush. And if you don't have the cream based blush, you can simply apply the lipstick on your cheeks. So I'm going to apply the lipstick on my cheeks. Now we are going to remove the powder. Next I'm going to use the cream based contouring stick. First I'm going to blend it with my fingers. And now I'm going to set my face, and for that I'm using my very own DIY setting spray, makeup setting spray. And for this I've added 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and 5 to 6 tablespoons of normal water, and mix it well, and your makeup DIY makeup setting spray is ready. Now I'm going to fill my eyebrows, and I'm going to do it with this Nykaa eyebrow pencil. And for the eyes, I'm going to use this cream first to make my base. And for the eyes, I'm just going very neutral, not too much. I'm just going to apply this shade now, and I'm just taking a very little amount of it, dusting the excess. And I have to use my phone because I lost my mirror and I'm not getting it. So I'm just going to dab it a little bit and blend it out. Now I'm going to apply the eyeliner, and for that I'm going the off camera to apply it because I really need the camera in front of me. So yeah, if you want to see how I do my eyeliner, then I will add the link above, so you guys can definitely check it out. And to complete the whole eye look, I'm going to apply this false lashes from Nykaa, and it's done. Now to complete the whole look, I'm going to apply the lipstick, and this is the last step, I promise you. And I'm using this Gabrini matte lipstick crayon in Velvet Touch rich color. I got it from Singapore, so you can apply any lipstick which you like. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this video very useful. Give this video a big fat thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel now and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any videos of mine. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.